Cardiff Met has a real focus on research and innovation, working with commercial partners. The impact of our work has led companies to change the way that they work. So the Ozone Research Group at Cardiff Metropolitan University was formed in 2018, and it aims to prove the efficacy and safety of novel disinfection devices. So we have a 21 meter cubed bioaerosol chamber. This is a unique facility that is only found in a handful of locations across the UK. So this allows us to test primarily ozone, but also other disinfectants such as UV, chlorine dioxide, hydrogen peroxide, and many other chemicals. So within this unique facility, we're able to aerosolize microorganisms safely, and that can be bacteria, viruses, and fungi. So currently we have a knowledge transfer partnership with Ozone Industries Limited based in Andover. So a KTP is a three-way partnership between a university, a company, and an associate. The company may approach a university that has specialist facilities and knowledge, request help in addressing a specific problem. And as part of that KTP, our associate has been recommending new testing strategies, which are currently being reviewed by both the Health and Safety Executive in the UK and Bauer in Germany. So our KTP is also being complemented by other projects. One of those is a smart partnership with InBio based in Cardiff. One of those projects was to aerosolize a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi within the aerosol chamber and identify if one of their devices could detect them and then further identify them within clinical settings. The aerosolization methodology fed directly into our KTP, benefiting both our own methods and research within the university, but also the work of the KTP and the Smart Partnership. So I think it's adapting to the needs of industry, which makes our research unique. We work with the European Ozone Trade Association, which is made up of over 200 companies across Europe and Canada. All of these companies have different requirements, different needs in terms of testing, regulatory adherence. It's been amazing to watch the development of potentially new regulatory standards which can affect a range of businesses both within the UK and Europe. It's great to see that the work that we do here at Cardiff Met has an impact not just on individual companies, but trade associations and society in general.